Hi everyone, so I just got my shipment of the air vents. I traced out the pattern on the dash and I'm going to start cutting it out, make these fit, and then I'm going to add the interior panel wrapped in leather on top. Got my hole cut, the vents stick right in. But it works pretty good. Pretty dusty. Wasn't really expecting it to be this dusty, but not too big of a deal. I'll clean it all up. What I do recommend is first go at it with one of these cutting wheels. Go a little bit smaller than you need to, and then go with one of these little sanding discs and go around the outside, smooth it out, and widen it as much as you can until it fits. Got the foam all cut out for the piece on the dash, the insert, and then I sprayed the back of the leather. It's tacking up now. I'll come back, wrap it, cut the hole, do all that, and then it's going on there. Just finished wrapping up the first leather piece insert. Turned out pretty good. I just took some foam, some like craft foam, cut it to shape, wrap the leather around. You cut some relief cuts just so you don't get too many little parts sticking out where you fold it. More flush of a finish. Turned out pretty good. Now I'm gonna glue it in and stick in the air vent. Since you have to wrap the rest in suede first before you can put your insert in, I masked off everything just so I don't cover it all in spray glue. Next I'm going to spray on here, back of the panel, glue it on. You'll see in a little bit. Okay, so I got the leather insert in, vent is in and working. As you can see on the corners, it's not perfect. I'm adding some black piping around the edges, so it really doesn't matter. But overall, it turned out pretty good. I'm going to do the center and the other side. So, as you can see, I got basically all of the car chopped apart. I just have to mess around the wheel wells a little bit, finish it all up, clean it up, and then I'm going to be welding the cage in, sticking the body on top, and getting this thing together.